Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to tell you how much money YouTube pays you for 1,000 views. And now that number is going to vary and I will get into that a little bit. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Those thumbs ups really help the channel out, so I really appreciate it, especially if you find value in this video. So let's dive in. First of all, how do channels make money to begin with? Well, you have to be monetized first. And in order to get monetized, in order to apply for Google AdSense and for your channel to be monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000 subscribers, and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within a year. And so once you do get your channel monetized, this is the type of money that you can expect to earn with 1,000 views. And now there are a lot of variables that go into this, so the number is going to vary quite a bit actually between channels. And some things to keep in mind are this. One is the niche of your site. For example, I have two channels here on YouTube and they are both monetized. My main channel is In the Kitchen with Matt and I have nearly 210,000 subscribers on that channel, and I'm going to show you how much I make on that site. And then I have this variety channel, which is the one that I'm on right now, and I have a different niche here. The cooking one is all about food, and this one is a variety channel with a lot of how-to videos, YouTube how-to videos, also a lot of cryptocurrency videos, marketing videos, things of that nature. And so as I'll show you, is different niches pay out differently. And some, like the cooking channel, they pay out less than others that are more in the finance realm, which is kind of like this channel is, cryptocurrency and finance. Those pay out more. So keep that in mind. So it varies depending on your niche. Next is it varies on the market that you live in and where the majority of your viewers are. For example, the majority of my viewers are here in the United States, and so the ads that play in front of them are going to be worth more than, let's say, if the majority of my viewers were maybe in India or Africa, the ad revenue would be lower from the companies over there that are advertising, if that makes sense. And so a lot of channels have a big variety of viewers. For example, my cooking channel, I have viewers all around the world. This one, I have viewers all over. But about 40% of my viewers are still in the United States, so that really helps the revenue. And like I said, some channels, they maybe like in India, where they have maybe a majority of Indian viewers that are there in India, their revenue might be really a lot lower per 1,000 views. So just keep that in mind. So the niche and then the market. Also, the time of year plays heavy into this as well. You'll see the RPMs or CPMs much higher during the last quarter of the year, and more specifically during December. And the reason why is because advertisers are spending more of their budget. Maybe they have X amount left in their marketing budget and they want to spend it all before the next year. Another is the holidays. They want to get people to buy gifts for the holidays. And so the RPMs and stuff are higher at the end of the year, and then they're lower sometimes like middle of summer, a little bit lower, and the beginning of the year when the companies are starting their marketing budgets and figuring out how much they're going to need for the year, they'll be lower then as well. So keep that in mind. Again, niche, where you live, so the market, geographical market, and then also time of year. Those three things kind of play the most into the variety of what you'll make per 1,000 views. All right, so now that you know how it happens and kind of the differences and kind of the different reasons why it varies, let's dive right into my two channels and show you exactly what I'm making per 1,000 views. Here we are over on my variety channel, and right here, if you don't know how to get to the screen, just click on Analytics on your YouTube Studio, click on Analytics, and then click over here to revenue. And my estimated revenue, this is for 28 days. My estimated revenue for this month is $283. My RPM is $10.14, and the CPM is $20.31. CPM is cost per mille. Mille means 1,000. This is the cost to the advertisers. So everything all put together, the advertisers are, it's a combined like $20.30 CPM. That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. And so my revenue is a lot lower than the cost because I have to split out the costs with YouTube, so they take their cut. And also the RPM is lower because that takes into account all of the views, not just monetized views. So this is $10.14, which is still really good. $10.14 per 1,000 views, but that also includes views that aren't monetized, meaning the person just skips it, or they have an ad blocker on, or they don't click on any of the ads, things like that. That doesn't count as a monetized views, and you don't earn any money on that. And so this $10.14 represents within 1,000 views out there, there's enough people that watch the ads and enough people that click on it to generate $10.14 for me. And then if you want to get more into it, you can click on this little watch up here, and this will tell you what RPM specifically means, kind of what I mentioned. RPM means revenue per mille and tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. To calculate your RPM, your estimated revenue is divided by your total views in the same time period. Your estimated revenue includes revenue from ads, YouTube Premium, memberships, Super Chat, and Super Stickers. This is the actual revenue you earned after YouTube's revenue share. Total views is defined as all views, including views that weren't monetized. It doesn't include views in the YouTube Shorts player. Because RPM is calculated with your share of the revenue and includes views that weren't monetized, it's typically lower than the playback CPM. There you go. It's pretty much what I told you before. And now let's keep an eye on this screenshot, right? So it's $10.14 RPM and $20.31 CPM. And this channel is just around 7,000 subscribers, okay? So it's a smaller channel, a lot smaller channel than my cooking channel. Let's go over to my cooking channel. Here we are on my cooking channel, and look at that. The month is about 3,200, and it's just because I have so many more views on this channel than my other channel. Look at the RPM. It's only $5.35, so that's half as much. And the CPM is 1086, which is about half as much as well. And you can see that it's 7% increase, and you'll see that increase go up as we get closer to December and in December. So that goes to show you that my niche, the cooking niche, doesn't generate as much RPM, so revenue, for me per 1,000 views, than my variety channel, which is more focused on things like cryptocurrency, finance, things like that, which just has a better ad revenue towards it. And so if you look at your own channel, you'll probably see a difference there as well, depending on those three things: your niche, the market you live in, and the time of year. And so there you go. So I've seen RPMs on other channels as low as $1 to as high as like 25 and beyond for the RPM. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me out, and subscribe to the channel if you like. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Until next time, happy YouTubing, everyone. Take care.